Hello everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today we are talking about the 2027 MG4 EV. And honestly, this car is one of those electric vehicles that quietly shocked the market. A few years ago, people still thought of MG as a budget brand that you buy only because it is cheap. But right now, MG is playing in the big leagues, selling more cars in some markets than brands like Skoda, Land Rover, and even Tesla. That alone tells you something important is happening here. The MG4 is a full electric hatchback that blends strong performance, great range, and a price that makes other EVs look expensive. Let's look at the versions first. The entry MG4 SE comes with a 51 kilowatt-hour battery and around 218 miles of range, which is already solid for daily driving. Step up to the long-range version with a 64 kilowatt-hour battery and you get around 281 miles. Then there is the Trophy Long Range, and finally the Extended Range model with a big 77 kilowatt-hour battery pushing around 323 miles. And the crazy part is the price. These numbers come at prices that feel more like petrol hatchbacks than electric cars. Now let's talk about how it drives, because this is where the MG4 really surprises people. You might expect something average or boring, but it is actually fun. The rear-wheel drive setup makes a big difference. Instead of spinning the front wheels like some older electric MG models, this one puts power to the rear, so acceleration feels smooth and controlled. The balance is excellent, with a low center of gravity and near-perfect weight distribution, so it feels planted in corners. The ride quality is also impressive. Small bumps are soaked up easily, and the car feels stable at speed. You get multiple driving modes like normal, sport, and eco, plus adjustable regenerative braking. It does not have full one-pedal driving, but the strongest regen mode slows you down enough that you rarely touch the brake pedal in city driving. Inside the cabin, the MG4 is a mix of good and slightly strange choices. Some materials feel soft, but they look harder than they actually are, so it can feel a bit dull visually. The seat fabric is not luxurious, but it is durable. However, the twin-screen setup is modern and sharp, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means you can mostly ignore the built-in menus. The infotainment system itself can feel like a maze, but at least it is fast and clear. One thing I really like is the physical controls. You get real buttons and knobs for climate and volume, proper switches for mirrors and windows, and a simple stalk for drive selection. That frees up a lot of storage space in the center console, with cup holders, trays, and big cubbies everywhere. It feels practical, like someone actually thought about daily use instead of just adding more touchscreens. Rear seat space is another huge highlight. This is a hatchback, but it feels more like a small family car inside. The back seats are roomy, with lots of legroom and headroom, and the flat floor makes it comfortable for 3 adults. You can stretch your legs, slide your feet under the front seats, and even relax on longer trips. For an electric hatchback, this level of space is impressive. So why is the MG4 such a big deal? Because it makes electric cars feel normal. You get good range, fun driving, loads of space, modern tech, and a price that does not scare people away. Add a long warranty and friendly dealers, and it becomes one of the most sensible EV choices right now. If you are thinking about switching to electric but do not want to spend luxury brand money, the MG4 is honestly hard to ignore. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more car content, and let me know in the comments what you think about the MG4 EV. See you in the next one.